Hey, what is up guys, this is Actroid and I have the Nexus 4 right here, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to install TWRP recovery without using a computer. You only gonna need root access to access the partitions. So for this you're gonna need the TWRP Manager app from the Play Store. The link is gonna be on the description below, or you just go to the Play Store and look it up. Now you're gonna open it, and for this you're gonna need internet access, of course. So let me see if I can connect to the internet right there. And here select no, whatever. Now on this, on the left, you're gonna select install TWRP, and here on device info, device name, you're gonna select MAKO. that one I have. Just select there and it's gonna give you a list. Just go to the letter M. Let me see. MAKO. After you do this, go to install recovery and it's gonna load a page like that, and it's gonna start downloading the recovery image. So this is gonna take a while depending on your internet connection, and after it's done, it's gonna pop up a window like this one. Ensure the partition below is listed correctly, blah blah blah. Now it has to say this, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that one if you selected MAKO, the device name. And now select yes, and recovery flash successfully. Now we're gonna reboot into the recovery to see if it works. So on the left menu there's an option called reboot options, and now I'm gonna select reboot to recovery and then yes, and we're gonna see if it really worked. And there it is, it really worked. Now if you wanna go back to a stock, check out my other video. I'll show you how to go back to stock if you wanna install an update. So that's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace out.